An addiction occurs when something you are addicted to begins to control your life and interfere with your daily activities, work, and relationships. The classical definition of an alcoholic is someone who wakes up after drinking a glass of vodka instead of a cup of coffee. But with the boom of technology, signs of intoxication can be found in places other than the bottom of a glass, be it cell phones. If you find yourself checking your phone first thing in the morning, before even getting out of bed, you may be addicted. If you find yourself text messaging while driving, checking your phone instead of working on an important assignment, or checking Facebook during a romantic dinner, your phone may be interfering with your life. And you are used to it. Are you missing out on living a full and rich life because you are constantly staring at your cell phone? Here are 5 tips to manage your phone addiction. The first 30 minutes of your day. If you find yourself reaching to check in on your phone in the morning before even getting out of bed, this is a serious problem. The first 30 minutes upon waking should be dedicated to getting your day off to a good start. This means getting out of bed, getting fresh, taking 5 minutes to meditate and stretch, and preparing a healthy breakfast. Start your day with healthy, positive things to build up the inner strength to face the day ahead. Create a no-phone time zone. The truth of the matter is that having a cell phone nearby at work is common, and sometimes even required. Whether your phone's ding is work-related or not, that specific phone alert is hardly related to current work. If your phone is off and you're constantly distracted, you won't be focused on the task in front of you, and your productivity will drop. Therefore, I advocate creating a no-phone time zone. This means that for at least 2 hours of your day, when you work most productively, you turn off your phone and devote yourself completely to the task in front of you. Turn off your phone when you get in the car. This should be a law. I look forward to the day that it is. Just like being asked to turn off your electronic devices and cell phones on a plane, this should be the rule of the road. It is impossible for your mind to be in 2 places at the same time. It's a law of physics. Nothing can occupy the same space at the same time, and if your mind and eyes are on your phone, they're not on the road. Driving is one of those places you don't want to mess up. Sometimes I hear the excuse, well, I need my phone for directions, my GPS is on it. To that I say, what did people do 5 years ago? You'll carefully map out your route before you leave home, or you'll just walk to the side of the road when you look at the map. The same rule should apply even today. While driving, turn off your phone so you're not tempted to look at it. Get real. When you are sharing a conversation, a meal, or a cup of coffee with a real-life person, they are real-life forms. A real person right in front of you to connect with you. Are you telling me that your virtual friends and virtual text conversations are more important than your real-life person? Not only is it the rudest thing on the planet, but it sabotages friendships and can ruin relationships. Even if you say to a friend, "Oh, I just needed to check that out," they may respond, "Oh, that's fine." But the fact is that it is not right. What you are saying is that the virtual message is more important than them. They have taken time out of their busy lives to meet you and share real lifetime with you. By turning your attention away from them, you are essentially saying you are not that important. It really is a disease that we are so addicted to our phones that we neglect the people we hang out with as virtual people on Facebook, Twitter, and text messages. Come on, people, it's time to get real. Don't sleep on it. If you find yourself playing on your phone late at night, whether it's video games, Facebook, or text messaging, you may be losing precious sleep because of your addiction. The moment you stop devoting energy to taking care of your basic needs and putting your time and energy into your phone, you are allowing the phone to determine your health and wellness. If you find yourself in this scenario, my advice is to turn off your phone an hour before bedtime to ensure that your last hour is spent meaningfully, and that you are ready to start fresh the next day. To go to bed on time. Your phone is not worth sleeping on. Now it's your turn. Do you find yourself in one of these scenarios? What's your plan for making sure your phone isn't dictating your life? Please share in the comments below and inspire each other to live healthier, happier, more meaningful lives without falling into phone addiction.